In 2005, BMW introduced something extraordinary, a 5.0-litre V10 engine in a four-door sedan. The E60 M5 was born, delivering 507 horsepower at 7,750 RPM, with a redline of 8,250 RPM. It accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.4 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the limiter removed, it could reach up to 190 miles per hour. However, it came with the 7-speed SMG3 transmission, known for its harsh shifts and potential reliability issues. Owners have reported repair costs ranging from $3,000 to over $10,000 for transmission-related problems. Despite these quirks, the E60 M5 remains a legend, a testament to BMW's engineering ambition. Follow for more car content.